What is the mysterious held in Bermuda Triangle? Children? Is Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious place?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What is the mysterious thing held there in Bermuda Triangle? Yeah, the vehicles via the CO in the sky, whatever goes, it is missing, mysteriously missing, and they are predicting this thing will be held because of this thing, this because of that thing, like that they are predicating. அவங்க எதிர்கூறாங்க இப்படி ஆയിരിக்கும், இந்த ஆலையாയിരിக்கும், இந்த ரீசன் அழகாயிருக்கும் சொல்லி போட்டு இது பண்றாங்க. But until now it is a mysterious thing. Okay. In that activity 7, are you with your textbook, children? Please take your textbook, page number 107. Form 2 groups. Select one of the following topics and engage in a debate. It's a group activity. Inshallah, after school reopens, we have to have, there are crop circles are created by aliens, or crop circles are not created by aliens. One heading is given to speak. Crop circles are created by aliens. One group will speak. The other group, opposite group, will speak on the topic of crop circles are not created by aliens. You can get the points from here, from the textbook, as well as you can get from the internet. Of course, you can get from YouTube. Next one, Bermuda Triangle is mysterious place. One for one group. The other one, Bermuda Triangle is not a mysterious place. Under these two headings, we can have a debate. Now we are moving to the revision point in your textbook. Page number 8, 108. Okay. Match the adult animal. Match the adult animal with the young, selecting from the list given below. Both adults animals and young animals names are given inside a box. It is mixed up. Down, you are requested to write the adult animal separately, and for the same adult animal, the young ones, you will write in the other column. Now we'll see its revision point. Earlier we have studied the animals, feminine, masculine, baby animals and all. Puppy, the first word puppy. Please tell me whether it is adult or young.
Young.
Young. What's the adult of puppy?
Dog.
Dog. Dog is the adult. Next one, sheep. Sheep, what type of animal? Adult or young?
Adult.
It is, yeah, the adult. What is the baby, young one of sheep?
Lamb. Lamb. Lamb.
Lamb. Sammariyattukutti. Lamb. Next one, duckling. Tell me, please tell me whether it is adult or young.
Young.
It is young.
Young.
Then what is the adult?
Duck.
Duck. Next one, cat.
Kitten.
Adult.
It is adult, so young one,
Kitten.
kitten. Kitten. Next one, a dog is already we said. Pig.
Adult.
Adult. Then young one,
Piglet.
piglet. Next one, goose.
Gooseling.
Adult.
Adult. The young one is
Gooseling.
gooseling. Gooseling. Next one, cow.
Adult.
Adult.
Baby, young one,
Calf.
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 Next one, a word is given there, kid. Kid means,
Kid.
normally we are using the word kid for the human beings, no? Kid. It is adult
Young.
or young one.
Young.
Young.
Who's your baby kid? Whose young one is kid?
Horse. Horse.
No.
Foal.
Goat. Goat is the adult and kid is the younger one. Next one, calf we say, no? Gosling, of course, we said. Horse.
Four.
Tell me whether it is adult
Adult.
Adult.
or adult. Then young
Foal.
of it,
Foal.
fall. That's all.
No.
Chicken is given there. Chicken,
Adult.
adult. Then who is the baby? Young,
Chick.
chick. Okay. Now we are moving to activity 8. Can you see a picture there? What can you see there? Activity 8. What is the picture you can see there?
Old man face.
You can see an old man face. Okay. Only that thing you can see.
No, there are houses, trees.
How many houses are there?
2.
2 houses are there.
Two
Yes,
houses.
very good. What else?
1 man sit.
One man. Yeah, you can see an old man there. Okay. What else?
Sheep.
Sheep. How many sheep are there?
3.
3 sheep are there. Okay, what else?
Tree.
Huh? Is that sheep? செம்மறியாடா அது?
Pig.
ஆட்டுக்குட்டி ஒல்லேனா lamb. What else? 2 types of pictures you can see there. Two type of pictures you can see there. Sorry, children. In the previous lesson, I said a kid is the baby animal of God, not a kid. God's baby is lamb. Sorry, mistakenly told. Here you can see 2 types of pictures. One picture you can see an old man. How do you know that he is old? How do you know that man is old?
Because of his mustache.
Because of his mustache. It is pure white. And his head also bald. He has bald headed, I think. Okay. And 3 lamps are there. In a man's face is there. That is the main picture. Both the eyes are showing what?
House.
Looks like. It looks his both eyes are
House.
like 2 houses and his mouse stick. How? His mouse text is like looks like the lamb's shed. Can't you see? What else you can see here? There are two trees. From a man's face, you can see these pictures. That is one thing. The other thing, it's an rural area picture. The down picture, the jungle, forest is there. Inside that forest, sheets, lambs are there. What else? Trees are there. What else? Hello? Okay. What type of revision point is given here? Here we have got some spelling rules in English. Okay, the following endings can be added to nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Some endings. Normally we have studied some endings, but not for all the words. But mainly for some words, we can use this. Due to coverage problem, Shahna can't join the class. You can see the spelling rules. We'll see. We can use the spelling rules, the nouns, verbs, and adjectives, but not all the times. But this is the main rules. We'll see what are the rules we can see. First one, nouns. Noun. Can you tell me a noun?
Table.
Car.
Table. Now
Book.
we are adding S with the word table. We are adding S with the verb, word table. So how do you pronounce that word?
Tables.
Table. It is pronounced as tables. Now what happened there? The noun is changed as plural noun. The noun is changed as plural noun. That is the basic thing we have studied. For the nouns, we are adding S. We have learned like this, no? Plural mean we know. In our small ages, we have studied plural mean adding S. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After that you learned adding ES. For what type of words you are using ES? We will
Mango.
move. Yeah, we'll go through that. Step by step, we will go through. Okay, that is the basic thing. Adding SO, ES for the plural. After that, now can you tell me a verb? Read. Read is a word. The word read is a verb. When we are adding S for that, how do we read? Adding S with the word read. How do you pronounce that word? Children, with the word, if you add S, how will you pronounce that word? When the subject is singular and when we are writing sentence, simple present tense, subject singular, and during that time, we are using the verb with SOES. Next one, we are going to add ing with the verb. Normally, with the verb, in present continuous tense, perfect continuous tense. During when we are writing sentences, at that time we add ing with the verb. Working, enjoying, washing. Examples also given there in your book. I am enjoying my what? My
Journey.
journey. I am
Holiday.
enjoying my journey. Very good. Next one, with the verb, we are going to add ed. Verb or ed se ed add பண்ணாக்க எப்படி வாசிக்கிறது? ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒன்று சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். ed added
Play.
verb
Watch.
play plus
Play.
ed. Play.
Played.
In which situation
Play.
you are using that ed?
Simple past tense.
Ama?
Past.
Simple
past.
past tense or past participles also we are adding ed, no? For some past participles we are adding ed with the verb. Those verbs are called ed added verbs called
Irregular verbs.
Verb.
Irregular verbs.
irregular verbs.
Verbs. Past verb.
Regular verbs ஒழுங்கான முறையில அமைஞ்சி not here regular past participle க்குலாம் ed வர verbs இருக்குது. We call that regular verbs. எல்லா verbsக்கும் ed சேர்றது இல்லையே. Those are irregular verbs. Next one, adjective plus er. Can you tell me an adjective?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Ugly.
Beautiful, okay. Tall.
Quick.
Tall is an adjective. When we are adding er with that, how do we call that? With the
Comparative.
adjective er.
Taller.
Taller.
Taller. What type of adjective?
Comparative.
That is comparative. That is comparative. We are using the word we are using comparative adjective to compare two things. When we are comparing two things, we will use this comparative adjective. When we are using comparative adjective, we are using the word than. Definitely, we must use the word than. You have to remember that. Okay? See here, examples are given. Cheaper. Nowadays, Rathi is cheaper than anchor. Quicker. Ahla is quicker than her sister. Brighter. Next one, we are adding est with the adjective. How do you call that type of adjective?
Superlative.
Superlative.
Not for all the adjectives. With these rules, not for all the words. Earlier I said for some that this is the basic rules, but not for all the words. So adjective plus est, that is called superlative. Cheaper, cheapest, cheapest. Quicker, quickest. I am the quickest writer in the class. Brighter, brightest. When you are using superlative adjective, we have to use the word the. We can just say cheapest. Mangoes are cheapest nowadays. We can't say. How can we say? Like, how can we say?
Mangoes are cheap
The cheapest fruit is
Mango.
mango nowadays. The cheapest fruit is mango nowadays. Yeah. After that, we are going to add ly with adjective. For example, for example,
Cheaply.
Quickly.
beautiful,
Beautifully.
beautifully. The word beautiful is what is the word class?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Adjective. The word adjective. The word beautiful is an adjective. When we are adding ly with the word, it is
Adverb.
Adverb.
adverb. Most of the adverbs we add ly, but not for all the words. Cheaply, quickly, brightly. Okay. Now the second part of the rules. We have moved to the second part of the rules. When we use these endings, there are sometimes changes in spelling. When we use these endings, there are some changes in spelling. These changes are listed below. நாங்க இப்ப changes செய்யற நேரம் ending இது பண்ற நேரம் சில changes செய்யறோம். சில எழுத்துக்களை add பண்ற நேரம் சில changes செய்யறோம். பாப்போம் என்ன எழுத்துக்களுக்கு எப்படி changes வருதுன்னு பாப்போம். First one, here vowels and consonants. Consonant mean what? Consonant mean? How many?
20.
20. Vowel letters இல்லாததெல்லாம் counts.
Other than the vowel letters, all the other letters are consonants. How many consonants are there?
21.
21. 5 vowels, so 21 consonants. We'll see. Nouns and verbs plus SOES. With the noun or with the verb, how can we add SOES? The ending is ES when the word ends in S, double S, SH, CH, and X. நாங்க plural படிக்கிற நேரம் plural சேர்க்கிற நேரம் நவுன்ஸுக்கு நவுனை தானே நாங்க plural ஆக்குறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு நாங்க படிச்ச வந்து நவுனோட எஸ் சேர்க்கிறது plural ஆக்குறதுக்கு எஸ்ஸும் இஎஸ்ஸும் மேல பார்த்தோம். இப்ப பாப்போம் என்ன நவுன்ஸுக்கு வந்து எப்படி நவுன்ஸ் நவுன் என்னென்ன ஸ்பெல்லிங்ல வர நவுன்ஸுக்கு நாங்க எஸ் சேர்க்கிறேன்னு பாப்போம். ஓகே, எஸ் double S, SH, CH, X. Ending with these words, we will add ES for the plural nouns. For example, box. Box is singular noun. To make that as plural, we are adding ES, boxes. Bus,
Buses.
buses. Match,
Matches.
not match, matches. The plural of match is matches. Same like that. The verbs. Verbs இருக்குதானே, நாங்க சிம்பிள் பிரசன்ட் டென்ஸ்ல வசனங்கள் எழுதுற நேரம் சப்ஜெக்ட் சிங்குலரா இருக்குமா இருந்தா வேர்போட எஸ் சேர்க்கிறது படிச்சோம். My mother cooks delicious. No, my mother prepares a delicious meal for me. Prepares. ஏன்னா அப்ப அங்கனைக்கு வேர்போட நாங்க எஸ் சேர்க்கிறோம். சிம்பிள் பிரசன்ட் டென்ஸ்ல சென்டென்ஸ் எழுதுற நேரம் வேர்போட சப்ஜெக்ட் சிங்குலரா இருந்தால் வேர்புக்கு எஸ் சேர்க்கிறோம். wash. இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்துல எல்லாத்துக்கும் நாங்க எஸ் சேர்க்கிறது இல்ல. எஸ்ல முடியிற verb, டபுள் எஸ்ல முடியிற verb, SHல முடியிற verb, CH, X இப்படி சொற்கள்ல முடியிற verbsக்கு வந்து நாங்க ES சேர்க்கிறோம். wash, washes. Can you tell me a sentence? Azima? Azima? Mrs. Can you tell me a sentence for the word Mrs.?
She misses her handbill.
She misses her handbill. Very good. Next one, search. Searches. Search. Searches. She searches for the missing handbill. She says she searches the missing handbill. Okay. And there is a note also. ஆரம்பத்திலேயே ES சேர்க்கிற நேரம் நான் கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு யாரோ houses ஒரு ஆன்சர் பண்ணீங்க தானே? Someone answered me houses. Now see here, some exceptions are there. Potato. These words also ending with plural. Potato. Potatoes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. The plural is ending with ES. That is exceptions. Englishல சில சொற்களுக்கு வந்து சில இடங்கள்ல exception இருக்கு. அது ரீசன் நாங்க சொல்லலாத மாதிரிக்கு வந்திருக்கு. நாங்க இவ்வளவு நேரம் படிச்சிட்டு வந்தோம். இந்த சொற்கள்ல முடியிற இந்த லெட்டர்ஸ்ல முடியிற சொற்கள் மட்டும் ESல முடியும்னு. ஆனா இது exception. Potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. Do,
does,
does. Do, does. Go, goes. Next one, in that number 2, words ending in Y. Words ending in Y letter. Some words are given there: baby, carry, easy, etc. If a word ends in a consonant plus Y. If a word ends in a consonant plus Y. ஒரு வேர்ட் உண்டு கன்சனன்ட் லெட்டர்ல கடைசி எழுத்து Y ஆகும், அதுக்கு முந்தைய எழுத்து கன்சனன்ட் ஆகும். இது